Hi guys, and welcome back to Appraisal Paper Planning. Today what I am going to do is I am going to plan for the week of May 24th through May 30th. I put more stuff down than I did. I don't even remember when I put all this down, but put this all down a while ago. I really just loved her, so I wanted to make sure I put her down. But again, starting actually the next week, it's all gonna be completely blank, so you'll see every single thing I do. So that is going to be this. I do have a few things happening, but again, not really all that much. So again, like this, I don't know why that's, anyway, I will figure it out, but this is the kit I'm using. I always add, this little sheet that you see every week, I actually add it on just so I can have the, date covers. Ooh, I don't know what these are called, but these. So I can have those in there. And yes, so I think that is it. And then again, you heard me talk about it in the last video. This just doesn't have it labeled Monday through Sunday, but I'm gonna start putting my Instagram stuff over here starting next week, just to make my life a little easier. Actually, I don't know if I can. Yes, next week. Okay. So I'll start putting that stuff over here just to make my life a little easier. But other than that, let's get started.
Oh, I am actually recording this voiceover Sunday night, so it's a little earlier than I usually do it. And by that I mean better than the day before, so I think that's progress. um, this kit is actually just beautiful. I didn't talk about it enough when I was showing it, but I mean, that hair box, awesome. I forget if I got to use the bird. The bird box, also awesome. I wish I had more room to put all the boxes down. I even put another box in Saturday, which again, I probably shouldn't do, but it's cute, so I did it. Um, but it happens. Uh, this week there's only a few things going on. I feel like there's more going on than there is. It could just be work related that I'm thinking about that I need to get done. Trying to think if it's anything else that it is I need to get done. I don't love how those two boxes are next to each other, but in the end, it all kind of works out. I try to make it to where I don't have two busy, quote unquote, busy boxes next to each other, or busy labels, busy whatever you want to call it, not just full picture boxes, but there's some solid colored boxes, and then there's some more patterned that fits the kit and the kit's theme, and I try to separate those just so it's not too much at once. Now, what is this? Oh, yes, I have a doctor's appointment because I still go to my pediatric doctor. um, Only because I've been at college, so they told me before, like, hey, you're 18, because, being 18, you're like, I want to do everything by myself now. And my doctor was like, you don't need an adult doctor yet. You'll probably need an adult doctor when you're older, but you don't have to get one immediately when you're 18. And they've been basically a family friend, so we know the doctor. But I went in last week, 2 weeks ago, for my sinus infection I was having. Oh, go back to that story in a second. This is from a Sadie sick, well, it was the Planner Boss Collection sale, I think was the name of it. Um, and the acronym or whatever it was PBC sale. But this was a freebie in that sale, and it's rose gold. And I usually do not use stuff like this, but I thought it went well with the kit, so I wanted to try it out. There's some stuff about it that I don't love, but what can you do? Um, but I think I did as well as I could have, I would guess, with the room I had. I think it looks cute at the end, which is all that really matters. I just wanted to spread it out enough to where it does actually fit in, and it's not just on one side of the spread. But back to my doctor story, I had gone in for a sinus infection, and when I was 18, they told me, listen, as long as you don't have kids anytime soon, and we're asking who's the patient, you or the kid, we're good. Clearly, they were like, when you're 22 or something, it'll be time to change, but not yet. So I completely forgot about that because all the crap that's happening right now. I just went to my doctor because I've had multiple sinus infections before, and it's the same every time. They just give me amoxicillin, and I'm good. Basically, what happened this time too. Um, so I did that, and the doctor's kind of looking at me. He's like, think you should schedule a checkup with your primary doctor, and then you should leave. And I was like, oh, okay. Another transition to add to all the transitions happening this year. I mean, it's gonna be fine. It was just something I was not prepared for. Something I didn't think about. I've been going to the same place my whole life. So, part of growing up. There's a space on Wednesday. I know. I'll. I think I go back and fill it in, but it just was not um, anything I'd think of at the moment, and I'm trying to let myself have some open spaces in the pre-planning. It's probably what I need to do. Again, those checklists are very helpful, but could spare myself and leave some empty spaces and do whatever. I do end up filling it in, I know that. Don't have my planner on me right now, to tell you, but I do fill it in. I know that much. Oh, I did something that I don't know if I like or not. It looks cute. What I did is there's this script sticker from Rose Colored Days, and then there's these bow icons I talked about before from a Sadie Stickers 2 Hour Tuesday. And what I do is I layer them. The only issue is that is a lot of foil on one thing. Um, it looks cute. It does. The other thing is, it would have been better if one or the other was not foiled so you can see the L on top of it. And then later on the week, I do it again and I think it's the H that you can't see. And here I am doing it. But it looks really cute. When I was doing it, it looked awesome. And I still think it looks cute. It's hard to see the word. You know what it means, but that's just something. The other thing is, so the newer kits, this is an older, trying to think if it's 2 reformats old or 1 reformat old. I don't remember. But on the most recent reformat, which is what this picnic kit was, um, the picnic kit was the newest reformat. She had um, icons at the top left for the B6. The A5 wide has a lot more. Obviously, that's how most A5 wide kits are going to go. But the B6 only has like 6, which is fine. I just had hoped it would be more so laundry or more functional related. I'm trying to think. One's shopping, one's cleaning, one's dinner, to which I guess if you have a date night or something, you could use that. But it's just, I would much rather, there's not a laundry one, and I would much rather have a laundry one than a date night one, I guess. But that's personal opinion. I did use the bird one. Yes. I can remember. I love this bird. I'm a nature gal, says someone whose job is to sit inside. But nature has always been something I don't know. I love birds. Bugs can go away, so maybe that's also why I like birds. Um, but it's just really cute. And then I'm noticing that I feel like it's darker on one side and lighter on the other. So I'm gonna try to lighten it up, but it's okay. Again, this trying to do this kit justice because it really is just beautiful. Actually, I just saw the kit named Cherry Blossom. Where I went to college, we had cherry blossoms that would bloom in the fall. I said that wrong. Bloom in the spring. they bloom in spring, and it's always just so beautiful when they finally bloom. And there's pictures on everyone's social media about, oh my gosh, they're blooming, it's spring, and it was just, it's really pretty, and it's just something that I guess this will remind me of college a little bit. And here I am just putting these little guys in because kind of forgot about them, but I didn't want to forget about them because they're cute. Um, basically, oh, what am I doing? Yeah, there is someone, it's my fiance's cousin, step cousin. I don't know how it works. Some sort of person on my fiance's side, graduation is Sunday. And they actually sent me a personal mailed invitation to it. So I feel obligated to go, but I'm also not gonna go if my fiance's not going. But I think we're going. It was a sweet gesture from them. It's kind of like someone else, one of my fiance's high school classmates. He's actually getting married in next month. I know that was not proper English, but I'm trying to think. He's getting married next month, and they sent an invitation to his house labeled Future Mr. and Mrs. DeCold. And I was like, huh, I feel like we need to go. um, just, it's little stuff like that. That just, kind of makes me feel better. But this kit, again, is really cute, and I just wanted to put some finishing touches on it. Sorry for the little break there. My brother came into my room, and I wasn't sure if he was going to say anything. He didn't. This is what happens when I leave the door open doing voiceovers. But I am just writing down when I'm filming and editing. I will also eventually write down when I am working out. I don't really have room to do workout labels or icons or anything like that. So, and then I decided I'm not using that because, what was I? Oh, I could use a bigger box. That's what it was. I was like, it's not that it's patterned. I know that much. And here I am filling in that Wednesday again and trying to figure out what I'm doing and playing with my hand, apparently. It happens, man. I'm just glad that I'm more comfortable planning with a camera over me as I do it. The first, if you want to go back to the first plan with me, it's kind of rough. I've definitely gotten a lot better at it, but this is the last week where I have a kit in both my A5 wide and my B6. Starting next week, it's going to purely be my B6, so it's exciting. A lot of exciting things are happening. And here I am, as I said before, just putting in my workouts. I did work out once last week. I know I've been putting it in multiple days, but it doesn't mean I'm doing it multiple days. But I did finally work out for the first time in a long time last week once. I plan on doing it again. I'm honestly just really tired, and I decided that it would probably be more beneficial for me to try to get these videos edited. So that's why I'm not doing it tonight, but hopefully if I can get this done tonight, I can do those throughout the week. So I'm excited. I feel like I'm slowly getting myself, together a bit more. And here I am just trying to add these in. Again, they're really cute. I love them. I'm just not used to having to put those things in. So here's this last one, and that's why they're kind of where they are and on top of boxes and stuff, but it's all good.
Well, guys, this is it. This is gonna be my pre-planning. That's my Instagram box. This is my Instagram box. I don't know if I'm gonna put Instagram over there, only because on really Friday and Saturday, I think those are really 2 days. Yeah, on Friday and Saturday, I kind of switch up what I post on Instagram on those days. So I'll probably use it, but I'm just not going to write it down because if I write it down too far in advance, something comes up and I don't use it. But I did want to show you this past week. I'm not done. I'm filming on this day. I'm filming on Friday. And when I actually have a dinner to go to. So, and this got moved over here, but that was going to be too much work. So I left it because, you know, sometimes plans change. And even when you're trying not to plan that far ahead, things still change. We didn't even come up with this dinner until yesterday. So, it looks pretty, yes, but that's just something that I am aware of, is that things change. So just like it's okay that a lot of stuff isn't checked off, it's okay that I was sick for a while and I am transitioning and I'm slowly getting back into the groove of things. I actually worked out for the first time in a long time last night, which I think really helped. So I think if I just calm down, get some stuff together, we'll all be good. But yeah, that's something that I either stick too much to my planner or I don't stick close enough to it and I kind of just go with the flow too much. So it's a balancing game that I have yet to perfect. But this week is, again, so cute. I end up using some of this, just showing you how much of the B6 I use and that there's still a lot of boxes. Well, not a lot, but there's still quite a few boxes even with how I plan right now. This little sheet that you saw was a freebie from the PBC sale from Sadie Stickers, I believe. So I thought this would look really good with this spread, and I think it does. I've never done stuff like that before, so it's kind of intriguing for me to figure out how to do it. Like, I probably would have done something else down there, but it's fine. It's okay. I think it looks awesome. I'm noticing this side is a lot pinker than this side, but that's just stuff you can't plan all that out. So yes, this is the last week in May, which is so crazy. I know this is the Friends reunion, and I bought a kit for it that might be coming in Monday. The thing is, as you saw before this video started, I already had some stuff laid down, and I was like, well, maybe it's a good thing, because if it doesn't come in till Monday, I usually post my plan with me's on Tuesdays, and that would just be cutting it way too close, and so I think this is better for me in the long run, and I think I might use that kit actually for Father's Day, if I can remember if my dad likes Friends or not. I just think it'll be a better Father's Day kit than the one I have planned, so that might be the route I go. But yes, this is it, and I think this is one of the spreads. This one and the first one I have that I ever did in here just made me love rose gold so much. I used to be a silver gal. Like, I used to love silver, but I think in jewelry, clearly I do silver stuff, but I think in planning, I'm a rose gold person, which makes sense, right? How did I not know I was a rose gold person? Who would have thunk it? But yes, so it's exciting, very exciting things. Yeah, these are the only two things I really have planned this week, so put my workouts in there. Yeah, I think I'm good. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.